Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can safely remove a USB device on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you use something that you connect through the USB, like I have my pen drive over here that is connected to my device, if you remove it just like that, then you will see the information to restart the phone because the USB was removed unsafely. So in order to prevent that from happening, in order to actually safely remove the USB device, what you need to do is first open the notifications, and then over here you will find the USB added notification, and once you tap on the notification, sorry, not on the notification, but if you tap on this arrow on the right side, then you will unfold additional options, and then you can press unmount. Once you do that, you can safely remove whatever you are connected to, whatever you connected to the device. And then you won't have to restart your phone, and you will not see the information that it was unsafely removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.